was to me. My name from me, Sebastian Joseph Williams Luque. Where are you from? I am from Colombia. Why do you put this? I study university at Place University. And for a you, I am 50 years old. Where you like I am in Papillonita. This is go in which people are very seen in walking. Me, me hobbies are read Wednesday and play guitar into me listen to music watching anime. Me question are happy and be free in love. My play we I study in school when I play guitar at comic watching anime in week at Wednesday. Working and soy the music class in this study.